Hello guys, today coin is Robo Dogecoin. Price is $0.00073. BTC is 149% high. BNB is 129% high. Low price is $0.00030. Price change in 24 hours. That means high price is $0.00073. Trading volume in 24 hours around $3,97,000. And total supply is around 1,69,000 trillion Robo Dogecoin. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Its website is robodogecoin.com. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 13 billion Robo Dogecoin. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing. After that we will open its website and click on robodogecoin.com. I have already opened this website. RoboDoge is a smart hyper deflationary community driven protocol with a captain that rewards its holder through smart tokenomics. And we will click on tokenomics. This is tokenomics. 17% tax applied to everyone, 5% reflected back to the holder. That means 5% automatically redistributed to the RoboDoge holders, 6% added to the liquidity pool for ensure security, 2% burned forever to increase value of RoboDogecoin, 3% reflected to the marketing and development wallet, 1% reflected to the neuroscience and AI charity wallet. This tokenomic model is far more advanced than other contracts. There are several advantages with this type of smart contract. And 5% reflection back to the holder. 5% of every RoboDoge transaction gets reflected back to its holders in additional RoboDoge token. Staking, farming, merchandise wallet, release coming soon. We are the partnered with one of the biggest name in blockchain development and software engineering. Our founder is also a 17-year trading veteran with a background in a digital marketing and campaign management. Merchandise is coming soon. Technical analysis trading university is coming soon. The EOP is engaged, and 10% holder can sell 10% of their holding, and holder can also only transfer 10% holding to another wallet. This is an extra blanket of security to ensure there is no way to get around EOP function that designed to keep our holder safe. And we will click on roadmap. This is roadmap. Phase 1 RoboDoge activation, initial push to build community, social proof, social media channel, private sale advertising push, reach caps. These steps have completed. Reach 5,000 Telegram member, continue to develop content. Phase 2 RoboDoge armed influencer marketing, laser targeting marketing ads, billboard ads, listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap. 2 steps have also completed. 25,000 Telegram members, 25,000 holder, third party audit, donation to charity. And phase 3 RoboDoge combat position, 1 lakh Telegram member, 1 lakh holder, wallet development, wallet beta testing, wallet release, listing on major CX exchange, merchandise release, development on RoboDoge robot. Phase 4 RoboDoge target logged, 1,50,000 Telegram member, 1,50,000 holder, celebrity endorsement, celebrity sponsorship, RoboDoge music video, further RoboDoge merchandise line. Phase 5 RoboDoge operation POW. Once we have achieved every single mission in the previous phase, we will release new operation. This project is so top secret, we cannot release the detail of this project until we have the platform to do so. It is crucial that we succeed in every single mission, but what I can say about Operation PAW is this: it is the biggest, the coolest and something that the crypto community has never seen. Be excited because we promise it's so beyond cool. Phase 6 Robodoge PAW deployment. We will continue to market like no other. By now and through Operation PAW, every person in the world will know about Robodoge. Most want to give you the moon. We want to send you to the outer reaches of the solar system. And we will open Twitter account of Robodoge coin. This is Twitter account. Total followers is 4511. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.